Triangle, quick heads up. This weekend isn't just snow, it's the ice that causes the real problems. North Carolina is already in a state of emergency, and the trend for Raleigh is a winter mix. Snow and sleet late Saturday, then sleet and freezing. Rain Sunday with dangerously slick roads and possible power issues. Bridges and overpasses freeze first, and black ice can stick around after the storm. Real World GRC lens. Preparedness is controls, not panic. Here are the controls that reduce risk fast. First, avoid the peak travel window. If you don't have to drive, don't. Second, run a vehicle readiness kit. Water, snacks, warm layers, charger, flashlight, and a basic first aid kit. Third, keep your tank above half. If you must drive, slow down early, leave extra space, especially around semi-trucks, and avoid sudden lane changes. And here's your go-no-go rule. If precipitation is falling and temps are near freezing, or visibility drops hard, exit early and get somewhere safe. Stay safe today, valuable tomorrow.